Imagine this. You've launched your business. Your website is live. Your product is ready. You've told your friends, posted on social media, maybe even printed some business cards. But there's one small problem. No one's buying, no clicks, no emails, no sales. Just silence. Now here's the harsh truth. Most businesses don't fail because of bad products. They fail because nobody knows they exist. And even if they do, they don't trust you yet. But here's the good news. Your first 100 customers, they're closer than you think. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a marketing degree or a fat ad budget. You need one thing: a smart, focused strategy to create momentum. Let me take you back to a story I hear over and over again. A young entrepreneur spends months building the perfect product. Everything is polished. The logo is slick. The website looks like Apple made it. Then they launch and wait and wait. They assume the world will just find them. But the world is noisy. People don't just buy products. They buy trust. And that trust starts with visibility, value, and personal connection. So how do you break through the noise? How do you get those first 100 people to say, "Yes, I'm in"? Let's break it down. Start with people, not platforms. Don't obsess over algorithms. Focus on humans. Think, who needs this? Who is already struggling with the problem you solve? Make a list of 50 to 100 people. Friends, acquaintances, coworkers, LinkedIn contacts. No, you're not spamming. You're offering value. Reach out with a short message like, "Hey, I just launched something that helps solve X problem. Can I send it your way?" Not everyone will respond. That's fine. You're not chasing numbers. You're planting seeds. Next, use one social platform, not 5. 1. Pick where your ideal customer hangs out. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever. Post valuable, helpful content consistently. Here's a trick. Don't post to impress. Post to help. Solve one tiny problem per post. That's how you earn attention. That's how you build trust. Still feeling stuck? Here's a pattern interrupt. When was the last time a total stranger randomly gave you money? Exactly. That's why you need proof and positioning. Offer your product or service to 5 to 10 people for free or at a discounted early supporter price. In return, ask for testimonials, feedback, or a case study. This creates what I call social gravity. It pulls others in. Suddenly, you're not just someone with an idea, you're someone with results. Now, let's talk urgency. Your first 100 customers won't come from waiting. They come from creating moments. Launch limited time offers, run challenges, host free webinars. Anything that gives people a reason to act now. Use scarcity, not manipulation. Say things like, "This is for the first 10 people only," or "I'm only taking on 3 new clients this month." People value what feels exclusive. Make your offer feel like a door that could close at any time. Let me give you another angle. What if you partnered with someone who already has your audience? Reach out to micro-influencers, bloggers, or other small businesses. Propose a win-win collaboration. I can give your audience free access to your product, and in return, you'll get exclusive perks or affiliate commission. You borrow their trust. Their audience becomes your audience. This is how empires are built quietly. You might be wondering, what if I don't know anyone? What if I have 0 followers? Here's the twist. You don't need to be popular. You need to be specific. The more niche your message, the louder it lands. Don't say, "I help people get fit." Say, "I help busy moms lose 10 pounds without giving up pasta." Specificity builds trust faster than a fancy website ever could. Still here? Good. Because here's the cliffhanger. Most people will try for 2 weeks, see nothing, and give up. But here's what they don't realize. Your first 100 customers aren't the goal. They're the foundation. They're your early believers, your brand ambassadors, your future referrals. And once you get the first 100, the next 1,000 become inevitable. So if you're stuck, if you feel invisible, remember this. No one buys what they don't know exists. And no one trusts what feels fake. Show up. Speak directly. Serve generously. Build proof. And never forget, customers aren't found. They're earned. If this helped you rethink your strategy, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to Money Momentum for more real-world tactics, mindset shifts, and business strategies that actually work. Because the world doesn't need another dreamer. It needs more doers. And the first 100, they're waiting. Now go get them.